Very good morning, students. We'll discuss the very first unit of your creativity and innovation, that is your idea. In this unit, we'll discuss about that what exactly the concept of your idea, meaning and nature, then idea evaluation, generalization and execution, idea in reality, then identification of critical issues and solution of the critical issues. One by one, we'll discuss that what exactly your idea, this concept means. Idea means a thought or collection of thoughts that generate in the mind. An idea is usually generated with intent but can also be created unintentionally. Idea often form during brainstorming sessions or through discussion. What exactly your idea says? That it is a thought or collection of thoughts. It can be that your thoughts can be spontaneous, can be like after a huge discussion that thoughts can come in your mind. So it is what ultimately the thoughts, but that thoughts are useful or these thoughts are not useful, it is depend on that it is depend on your thinking, that you have to sort it out. Then will come on the point that idea is usually generated with intent. There will be always some intent, कुछ ना कुछ intention के साथ में idea generate होता है, but that can be unintentionally. It can be unintentionally also. That idea often form during brainstorming session or through discussion. Idea generate कहाँ से हो सकते हैं या कहाँ से होते हैं? एक ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग सेशंस या डिस्कशन होते हैं, उसके बाद में कुछ आइडिया जनरेट होते हैं या हमारे पास में कुछ थॉट्स आते हैं. What the nature of the idea say? That your idea is a mental representation, it is a reflection, then it lead to innovation, then it is spontaneous in manner. What the idea say? That it is a mental representation. It represent our mental situations. It represent our mental reflection or the attitude what we have. Then it is what the reflection of our inner thoughts. Actually inner thoughts का reflection है ये, जो हमारे ideas हम जो generate होते हैं या हमारे दिमाग में आते हैं. So it's a kind of reflection. Sometimes we can say that reflection of our personality also. Then it always lead to the innovation. It leads to innovation. It means what? That there are number of thoughts can come in our mind and it will lead the innovation. It can be like something new, कुछ हमारे दिमाग में आता है तो नया creativity, नया innovation होता है. So ये हमेशा lead करता है innovation को. As well as you will find out that this idea is spontaneous in manner. Spontaneous. Sometimes you will find out that after a long time of exercise, there will not come in your mind, but it can be possible that spontaneously something will click in your mind. So spontaneous is one of the nature of your idea, that within a fraction of second any of the thought can strike you. So that also we call that it is an idea. Then what is your business idea means? A business idea, because we have to not only focus on the conceptual part of the idea, but we have to focus on the business idea, because we are not much concerned about the psychological part of your idea, but we are more concerned about the business idea. So what the business idea say? A business idea is a concept that can be used for financial gain, that is usually centered on a product or service that can be offered for money. An idea is the base of the pyramid when it comes to the business as a whole. So what it is indicating us, a business idea is a concept that can be used for financial gain. बिजनेस आइडिया हमेशा क्या होगा? जो फाइनेंशियल गेन हमें होगा या फाइनेंशियल हमें कुछ चाहिए, प्रॉफिट अर्न करना चाहते हैं या गेन करना चाहते हैं, उसी कंसेप्ट को हम यहाँ बोलते हैं कि वो बिजनेस आइडिया है. सो बिजनेस आइडिया इज अ कंसेप्ट दैट कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर फाइनेंशियल गेन एंड दैट कैन बी यूजुअली सेंटर्ड ऑन अ प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज. आप प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड बिजनेस आइडिया है या कोई सर्विसेज आप ऑफर करना चाह रहे हैं, वो भी आपका बिजनेस आइडिया होगा. सो रिलेटेड टू द प्रोडक्ट or related to the services, but it can offer for money कुछ ट्रांजेक्शन होगा, कुछ एक्सचेंज ऑफ मनी होगा, वही हम कहेंगे कि ये बिजनेस आइडिया है. और बिजनेस आइडिया को हमेशा हम क्या कह रहे हैं, इट्स अ बेस ऑफ एनी ऑफ द बिजनेस। बिजनेस आइडिया हमेशा एक बेस होता है, क्योंकि वो जितना परफेक्ट होगा उतना ही आगे आपका बिजनेस स्टैंड करता है। So here are some of the characteristics of your business idea. The very first characteristics is innovative, then it should be unique, it should be problem solving, and it should be profitable. So what is business idea indicating us? That it should be innovative. Yes, definitely there should be something new. Innovative should be there. So this is very important that your business idea should be innovative. क्यों हम बात करें इनोवेशन पे? क्यों? क्योंकि आप जो भी अगर बिजनेस आइडिया आपके माइंड में है और हम इसको चाह रहे हैं कि उसको प्रैक्टिकली हम बिजनेस में कन्वर्ट करें, सो थिंक ऑन दिस पॉइंट दैट इट शुड बी इनोवेटिव, इट शुड बी समथिंग डिफरेंट what the others or the competitors are providing in the market. Your business, your product should be something different, otherwise why customer will purchase your product? Yes, that's why it should be innovative. कुछ इनोवेटिव होना चाहिए, कुछ नया होना चाहिए, और एट द सेम टाइम वी आर सेइंग दैट योर बिजनेस आइडिया शुड बी यूनिक। वो यूनिक भी होना चाहिए, कुछ ऐसा स्पेशल होना चाहिए जो कोई और उसको ऑफर नहीं कर रहे हैं, कोई और उस टाइप के प्रोडक्ट या सर्विसेज मार्केट में नहीं देते हैं। फिर आपका बिजनेस आइडिया कैसे होना चाहिए? आपका बिजनेस आइडिया प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग होना चाहिए। जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स फेस कर रहे हैं उसको सॉल्व कर सके, ऐसे सॉल्यूशंस आपको प्रोवाइड करने हैं थ्रू योर बिजनेस आइडिया। एंड but obvious that it should be profitable. As a business person, you should earn profit out of your business idea. Otherwise, there will be no use of your business idea. So, ultimately, a business idea is often linked to its creator, who needs to be truly convinced of the business value in order to make it happen. So, it is important that your business idea, it should be truly convinced of the business value, it should deliver some business value, then only we'll say that yes, this business idea is important. So again, with some of the example, we'll discuss your important characteristics of business idea. The very first characteristics I discuss with you, that is what innovation. So your business idea should be innovative. See some of the example, like your Apple iPhone, they offer in 2015, and they introduced their MacBook, iPod, iPad, iPhone. So see how the innovation they introduced in the market. There were no single competitor were available to compete with the Apple company. So it is what important that your business idea should be innovative. Like Tesla, some more example, like your Tesla built an electronic car, and it is what with the very perfection they are offering this electronic car, and it's the unique, innovative. Before that, not a single company imagined that there can be possibility of generation of electric car, but Tesla introduced their electric car. So this is what the innovation part. Then Uber, the well-known name for all of us, Uber, or we can call the Ola. So they are offering their सर्विसेज ऑफर कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग जस्ट एक कहीं ड्राइव कहीं जाना चाहते हैं फ्रॉम वन डेस्टिनेशन टू अनदर, तो आप एक ऐप के थ्रू, आप ऐप है आपका उबर या ओला का, आप उसमें लोकेशन दे दीजिए, आपके डोर स्टेप पे टैक्सी अवेलेबल हो जाएगी। तो सी कितना कन्वीनियंट है, कितना ईजी है। सो इसके लिए हम इसको डिस्कस करते हैं कि कितना इनोवेटिव बिजनेस आइडिया मार्केट में इंट्रोड्यूस किया है। उसी तरह से हम लोग को एग्जाम्पल बहुत कॉमन है हम सब लोगों के लिए कि स्विगी या जोमैटो, the same services, innovative services they are offering to us, कि on our doorstep within a few minutes, whatever we will ask, whatever we'll order, place the order, it will be available at our doorstep. So it is what the new innovative business idea. Then it should be like your unique, it means unique selling point. This term we have to remember, unique selling point. So what the speciality I have, my product have, that we have to always highlight. Something should be unique with our product or the services which is not offered by any of the other competitor. जो और कोई competitors ऑफर नहीं करते या और कोई कंपनी ऑफर नहीं करती है, ऐसा यूनिक मेरे प्रोडक्ट में या मेरे सर्विसेज में क्या है, मेरे बिजनेस आइडिया में क्या है, ये हमको ध्यान में रखना पड़ता है। इसको हम कहते हैं यूएसपी। व्हाट इज द यूएसपी? व्हाट इज द यूनिक selling point or speciality of the product. Then the next characteristic say that it should be problem solving. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग हमेशा होना चाहिए। जैसे मैंने अभी एग्जाम्पल्स आपके साथ डिस्कस किए कि उबर या ओला जो अपनी सर्विसेज ऑफर करते हैं, तो ये प्रॉब्लम सबके साथ में थी, सबके साथ में प्रॉब्लम्स की भी। न्यू सिटी में गए, नए सिटी में प्रॉब्लम है, ट्रैवलिंग कैसे करना है, डेस्टिनेशन एड्रेस के बारे में पता नहीं है, बट बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ में आप एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पर ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं। सो ये प्रॉब्लम का बहुत सिंपल सॉल्यूशन है जो उन्होंने ऑफर किया है। सो ये आपके बिजनेस आइडिया में होना चाहिए कि दैट समथिंग not only the unique or innovative, but it is what helpful to solve the problems also, as well as it should be profitable, because when as a business owner, when you will earn the profit, then only you can continue that business idea. So it should be profitable, number of customers should be available, then you should be available to earn the profit also. तो इस बारे में भी आपको ध्यान में रखना है। तो ये आपके concepts, ये characteristics हो गए आपके business idea के। Then how you can generate the business idea, how you can evaluate it, we will discuss more in the next video. Thank you.